every other money guru that you see out there on the interwebs wants to tell you that passive income is the best and only way that you can live your life because that's how they live their life. But they also want to sell you on a dream, and they want to sell you a course that creates more passive income for them. Sure, I can agree that passive income is one of the best things that you can learn how to do and learn about and build your foundation on online. But there's only one problem. Passive income isn't real. Everything that you have ever earned or ever will earn has come from some sort of work that you have done. What they really mean is, instead of passive income, is that they mean it is process-driven income. Or in other words, income that you receive because of processes that you have put in place or work you have done beforehand that will continue to pay you passively. Now, if you're new to the concept of making money online or passive income, I think it's one of the greatest things that you can learn about on the internet. And if you want to create money, a system of money, I think that this is one of the best ways that you can potentially make money online. So the basic concept of passive income or process-driven income is that you set up a process or a system that will continually make you money day after day and month after month without you having to be there and trading your time for every dollar you earn. Just like how Mr. Jeff Bezos, has created an enormous stream of passive income for himself by creating an enormous worldwide process-driven income stream called Amazon that delivers packages to you faster than ever before in history. Now, the great thing is that you don't need an enormous business like Amazon to create a process-driven income. I'm going to keep saying passive income, but you don't need a big business to create $1,000 or $10,000 or $25,000. You just don't need a big process, but you do need a process. And once you learn how to create those processes and do the work up front, you will eventually get your piece of the pie, piece of the pizza, whatever you want to call it. But you have to do it. You have to do the work up front to create systems. Now, I assume that if you've made it this far into the video, that money is important to you, like it is to me. And that is why you should like the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and every time I post a video, you can come back and watch it, and YouTube will pay me 1/100th of a penny. So please go ahead and like the video and subscribe. Now, with that out of the way, we're going to jump into the 3 passive income streams that I believe are the very best to start in the year of 2022 and beyond. Very first is the number one process that I talk about all the time with all my friends and family and here on YouTube, and that is through selling physical products on Amazon. So the 2 best ways that you can sell on Amazon are by doing private label, which is where you create your own product, or by doing wholesale, which is by selling a product that is already a brand, like selling some hand sanitizer or Nike stuff or stuff. Your very first step is potentially the most critical and important thing in both private label and wholesale. You need to make sure that you start by implementing the correct processes. Your first step is the most critical, and that is to educate yourself. And you can take the slow and potentially dangerous path by watching hundreds of hours of YouTube videos, or you can take the safe and much quicker route by finding a coach and a mentor and having them help you set up the processes correctly and make sure that the products you find are going to make you money and not lose money, because nobody wants to do that. but you need to make sure that you do the processes correctly, which is why a coach or mentor is the best way to go. If you have the money to invest, it's worth it. The second step is to source products for a low price and then find out how much you can sell them for at a higher price. And the third step is to profit and recycle or reinvest your money into your business until it gets to the point where you can either exit the company for a 6 or potentially 7 or 8 figure payout, or you have your system set in place so well that it will continually pay you for all of the activities that you want to do, that extra $1,000 or $5, $10, $25,000 a month. Once you get the processes set up, you can sell your business or you can let it continue to pay for your lifestyle. Now, the second best way that I believe you can create a passive income stream or a process-driven income stream is by creating a faceless YouTube channel. You've probably seen them before on the internet, on YouTube, where the creator of the video doesn't want to show their face for one reason or another, but they create a process that makes it so that the video is made correctly and well. So they do one of two things. They either create the videos themselves, which I recommend starting that way, which is something I'm doing now. I'm creating my own faceless YouTube channel, and I'm hoping to grow it to $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Or there's a process that you can set up where you find people that are freelancers that will create the video for you, will do all of the voiceovers for you, and all you have to do is guide them in the direction that you want to go. Say, hey, can we make a video very similar to this video that's doing well? And then you pay them to do it. It does take some capital to start, and just like selling on Amazon, it takes upfront capital to start, but I believe it's more passive, or it's a better process of making income because it's evergreen and it's digital content. It's not a physical product. Either way, whether you create the videos yourself or set up the process to pay someone else to do it, you're going to create that sweet passive income. And the third and final way that I recommend for creating your passive income streams it goes hand in hand with both Amazon and YouTube, and that is by doing affiliate sales. So you may notice that in pretty much every video you watch that has good process driven income created from that video, that if you go into the description, there's going to be links. There's links to all the products that the videos talk about, and those are 99% of the time those are affiliate links, where if the person watching the video, click on the link and buy something through that link, the person that created the link, in this case right now, if you went to the description below and clicked on one of the links to Robinhood or Webull or M1 Finance, and you signed up for an account with one of them, I would get a little kickback, like $5-10 for referring you to their platform or to purchase something through them. This can be stupid easy money if you have a YouTube channel, like a faceless YouTube channel, or one where you sit and talk to people about whatever you have passion about. Or if you have a vlog or some sort of content that is on the digital universe, you can make money from affiliate marketing. And once you have the processes set up correctly, it will continue to make you money passively for as long as people are viewing it and clicking on those links. Obviously, these aren't the only streams of process-driven or passive income. I recommend watching this video over here, where I talk about how you can potentially retire in 6 years by investing into this one stock. Click this video and watch that video.